guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Eddie V, and today we're going to talk about in this car vlog, where am I going with this, in which direction is this channel going into? Alright everybody, hopefully you guys are having a fantastic day. So I'm going to talk about or collaborate on where is this channel going, since I have Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, Patreon, a blog page, and a YouTube channel, as well as a car app that I use to see what's going on and what people are building and everything. So this is what I plan to do. This YouTube channel is going to be representing cars for car enthusiasts, going to be representing fish tanks, and also guitars. Now, we'll later see in the future if which of these gonna go better, and see if I should stick to one topic. There's been many people that have been telling me you should stick to only one topic, but I choose three. Why I choose three? I want to see which one is gonna be more successful. At the same time, maybe all three will be successful, or I'll be deciding if I should do some of these topics just a little bit and focus on one main one. Right now I'm kind of trying to focus on all three just because I don't have too much content yet out there. And what I mean by content out there is creating YouTube videos that are high quality, because I just don't have the funds for it. Now, like I said, this YouTube channel is going in a direction right now as to make vlogging on guitars, fish, and cars. So I'm following these three topics. As far as my Instagram, Boost King Central, which will be in the description below. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram, and don't forget to also subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit that notification bell down below so you'll never miss a video. So as for Instagram, it's boost_king_central. So what it is, it's going to be a car focused page with my Shopify store underneath where you can buy car products. Now I'm building this as a brand and connected to my YouTube channel. We'll see how it goes. Its main focus is on cars and car videos. Now you might see a few pictures of some places I've been on vacation, or just just a few posts on guitars or fish. Mostly it's gonna be cars. Also, I do have a blog page that's not really doing well right now. I'm waiting until I get a lot more subscribers. That way I can start writing more blogs. It's gonna be about cars in general. There's only two places where I'll post about cars and fish and guitars. Actually, three places. It will be Patreon, YouTube, and Facebook. On Facebook, I'm going to be basically trying to build to where I'm posting my YouTube videos out there. Patreon is going to be more like a blog. I'm trying it out, see how it goes. So basically, if you want to know behind the features or how am I doing with YouTube, go ahead and become a member of my Patreon account. That way you don't miss on what I do behind the scenes on YouTube. So I'm trying my best to make good quality YouTube videos, so it's pretty hard to do this every day. So my goal is to do some kind of YouTube video every day. So that's why I do a lot of reposts on car videos. They're all credited to credible sources. So yeah, to sum it all up, YouTube is going to be used for now as car enthusiast channel, fish tank channel, and guitar channel. My Facebook is going to be used same way, except it's going to be used to post YouTube videos mostly. Facebook page. And Snapchat is going to be to promote YouTube videos. Instagram is where I'm building my brand and putting car videos only on there, car posts. My blog page is right now idle. I haven't wrote too much. It's kind of hard when you're focused on all these things to write anything. So right now I'm not writing anything. On my Patreon, it's going to be like a behind the scenes and again promoting my YouTube videos. And this is also where you can go and support me so I keep creating this content. It's only $5 a month, or you can contribute more. But it helps YouTubers to keep creating content. It's actually very useful too, tool. Alright guys, so thank you for watching. Go ahead and click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you next time.